Hey old man, how you doing up there?
I'm reinventing the house.
Reinventing the house, okay. Yeah. All right. Everything's going in the trailer. All the shakes are coming off. Yep. Cool. All right, so this video is a big departure from the other computer geeky stuff that I've been goofing around with on this channel. And we're gonna have a little bit of a look into what's going on in my real life with my father. My father, over Christmas last year, had been asked to leave the house here due to an argument, and now is well, he's had a couple different living accommodations, but most recently he has purchased a house in our town, and we've been working on renovating it so that he actually has a proper place to live. Now, he is a pensioner. He's nearly 80, I think. Yeah, just shy of 80. And yeah, so what follows is basically some clips that I have recorded about the project and what we've been working on, and you're also going to see a little bit of his some like health stuff and real life stuff as it comes up. Anyways, I've never actually put together anything like this before, so this is going to be a little bit of an experiment for me, but I do want to document it, and I yeah, wanted to share it with yeah, with people out there on the internet, and just to maybe get a little bit of attention for him. Anyways, yeah, so this is it. This is my dad. All right, so this is my dad's house, and after an argument with my mother and something like 60 odd years of marriage, he got kicked out to come live in this hideous shack that he bought as a last resort. It is a bit of a hideous shack. Let's go see. We're gonna do a bit of a tour. I'm helping him here. Okay, so it's dark. A little bit of cobwebs, roof pulling down. And here's my dad. All right. Okay. All right, and this is my dad's bed. He lives in the corner. That's very good. Okay, and this is currently a room that is being dismantled. This is going to be the bathroom, but we are dismantling it at the moment. We're gonna have to replace the floor. Yeah. All right. Yeah, so this is a 100-year-old building of some sort. Yeah. It's been around for a while. It's got mold. Just a little bit. Right here. Delicious, delicious mold. What a good place to live. Anyways, yeah. So that's the project here. It's called Giving My Old Man a Home. So the first project that we took on with the house was removing this old addition that had really just deteriorated. The walls are moldy, the roof was leaking, it was really in really bad shape, and besides, it was an addition that had been put on at some point and built really quite poorly. Is that most of it up there?
Just about done. I'm dropping it all in the hole because it's hard to easily pick up on that with no way.
All right, so this is inside. You can see it's Super duper. Oh, there we go. Not sure how well this cheap little camera is going to record things. But yeah, this is all old construction. This is an extension onto the original building. You can see there's the real stuff. All of this is coming out. Yeah. All right. Probably some artifacts around that window over there, but yeah, can I zoom in? Perhaps a bit. Not sure how well it's going to come across, but yeah, that's all quite moldy, for lack of a better word. So this all needs to go. Should probably be wearing a respirator in here, honestly. Anyways, I can go take that window out. You will have noticed, of course, that my father's the one up on the roof doing the, well, the hard work, and really that's his choice. I offered a number of times to go take his place, and no, he wasn't having any of it. He wanted to do the job, and yeah, that's just kind of how it is working with him. He wants to really control what's going on and make sure that it's done however it is that he envisions it going in his mind. So, yeah, I'm sure many of you who have older, stubborn parents can maybe relate to this. This trailer is completely full. Okay, so we're going to take down the roof here. Obviously, this has been infested by bugs. Okay. That centerpiece is still secure, yeah? The centerpiece is still secure? Okay.
Came down with the roof.
That's dusty.
Yeah, here's the charcoal.
That'll show it. This should be good. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Okay. Good as it gets. All right, so here's the back end look of the house with the addition removed. Yeah, so we're going to pull up that floor, of course, and yeah, there's lots of work to be done, but you can kind of get a sense of how the house is going to look, at least for a little while. Yeah, so we did dump everything on the old trailer that we got here. And yeah, it's super gross. Like everything is just old and covered in dust and terrible. Anyways, of course, life isn't easy, and my father being a nearly 80-year-old man and working as hard as he does, well, there's consequences to that. And yeah, so he is currently recovering in hospital from dehydration and some sort of medical condition that has impacted his ability to work. So yeah, that's kind of what prompted me to want to share basically the project and what he's been working on, what I've been helping him with. And yeah, so I'll keep people up to date on what is happening. Yeah, currently he's okay in hospital, but yeah, I'm going to be taking over. Doing a lot of the work on the house, which will be nice from my point of view because I'll be actually able to get some stuff done that he would otherwise not want me to do, perhaps. But yeah, anyways, so Yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, please stay tuned. Life is happening a lot around us and amongst us, and I'm not sure what that really means, but yeah, yeah. Thanks for watching. Hello, young man. This is you're on video.
I can see that.
How are you feeling?
Right now, I'm feeling wobbly.
Wobbly.
Not lying down. I'm stable lying down. I get up, I'll be wobbly.
Uh huh.
Yeah.
All right.